Hello kids, which alphabet is this kids? It's C. C. C for cat. Today we are going to learn all the alphabet from A to Z. Okay. First we'll find E. A. A for apple. A for apple. B. B for ball. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. C for cat. D. D for dog. D for dog. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. F. F for fish. F for fish. G. G for goat. G for goat. H. H for hen. H for hen. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for jungle. J for jungle. K. K for king. Okay. K for king. L. L for lemonade. L for lemonade. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. N. N for nose. N for nose. O. O for orange. O for orange. P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Oh wow. R. R for rabbit. S. S for snake. Oh, there is a snake. Oh wow. T. T for turtle. T for turtle. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for van. V for van. W. W for watermelon. Oh wow, tasty. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Y for egg. And Z. Z for zebra. Now repeat with me kids. A. B. B. C. C. D. D. E. F. G. H. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Thank you.